AI is getting smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever before. But here's the big question: will AI replace your job? With AI taking over everything from writing articles to creating art, even coding, people are wondering, am I next? Will AI make humans obsolete? Today we're diving deep into the reality of AI's impact on jobs, and what you can do to stay ahead. Let's start with the hard truth. AI has already replaced jobs. Jobs at risk: customer service representatives with AI chatbots handling queries, cashiers, thanks to self-checkout systems, data entry clerks, due to AI automation tools, and even basic content writers, with AI-generated blogs and articles. So, what's next? And it's not stopping there. AI is getting smarter, even automating high-skilled jobs like coding, legal work, and even medical diagnoses. Part 2. The jobs AI can't replace yet. But wait, not all jobs are at risk. Some careers are actually AI-proof, for now. Creative professions like artists, filmmakers, and musicians are still safe. Emotional intelligence jobs such as therapists, counselors, and nurses are also secure. Skilled trades, including electricians, plumbers, and mechanics, remain indispensable. And of course, roles in strategy and leadership like CEOs and business strategists are crucial. Here's the thing: AI lacks emotions, human creativity, and critical thinking. That's where you have the advantage. Now let's talk solutions. If you want to keep your job safe, here's what you need to do. Learn AI skills. Instead of fearing AI, master it. Learn how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation software. Develop soft skills. Critical thinking, leadership, and emotional intelligence will be in high demand. Go into human-centered fields. Jobs that require human connection and creativity will always be needed. Part 4. The future: will AI take over everything? So is AI coming for all our jobs? Will we all be replaced? The truth is, AI won't take every job, but people who know how to use AI will. This is not the time to panic, it's time to adapt. If you learn how to work with AI, you won't just survive, you'll thrive. Now tell me in the comments, do you think AI will replace your job, or will you take control of your future? Comment below. If you want to stay ahead in this AI revolution, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notifications. More powerful AI tips coming your way. Watch next: top AI tools you need to know.